This is the position details page already filled out for the administrative assistant job that I'm creating an interview for. This page has 6 sections that I want to highlight. In the top right, we've got that admin bar that we can always get back to my interviews. We've got at the top of the middle of the page, we've got position details. Obviously, I created a position for administrative assistant for manager tools. I'm the manager of the position. I left the interview date blank because I don't know, I may use this several times. The interviewee is blank, obviously. Department is blank. We don't have departments at manager tools. And interviewer is also blank because I would have multiple people interview a candidate and I would have them fill in their name. And the creation date is 20 July 2011. The third part of this particular page that's particularly important and new is the navigation bar quick links on the left of the page. You see them there as questionnaire, position details, and custom questions. Those 3 quick links will be with us throughout the rest of the interview creation process. If you click on questionnaire, it will take you to the questionnaire questions that help create the body of the interview that we're creating. Position details will take you back here, and custom questions will take you to the part where you can add custom questions that are specific to the role, the type of role, very narrow based questions that you want to add to whatever questions the interview creation tool creates for you. Below position details, there's a section for introductory statement. That is the edited introductory statement that we created on the last page. If you made any changes, those changes will be reflected here. Below that, we have the interview completion status section, and there, as I've mentioned before, there are 3 parts: position details, which we've already done, the questionnaire, which we haven't started, so in this case it's 0% complete, and finally custom questions. If you come back to the position details for any interview you've started to create, I think of this as the interview home page for any particular interview, and it will show you the status of your work. Position details are done here, questionnaire and custom questions obviously haven't been started. And then the final section to mention are the action buttons at the bottom. My Interviews will take you back to the My Interviews page, obviously. If you don't like the position details, or you realize you made a mistake, or you want to go back, you can edit those by clicking on the Edit Position Details button. And Edit Custom Questions will take you right to the Custom Questions editing section. You don't have to fill out the questionnaire first before you edit your custom questions. We generally recommend you do, because you'll discover the kind of questions you're going to be seeing in the interview creation part of the process, and you may choose to not create some custom questions. But you can always go to custom questions whenever you want. We do recommend you start with fill out questionnaire. So let's go ahead and click on that and get started answering the questions that will create the interview that you'll find so effective.